point of this G20 session. I myself have just been elected president of the fourth largest country in the world. We have the fourth largest population. Therefore, hunger and poverty is for us a real issue, a day-to-day matter. We have still sizable percentage of our people below the poverty line. We also have 25% of our children going hungry every day. I was elected on the issue of poverty and hunger. Therefore, I'm very happy to be involved in this G20 summit. For countries like Indonesia, to overcome poverty and hunger is a matter of vital national